how to overcome major depressive disorder. Eat healthy diet. Eating habit has a direct relation on the way of our feeling. Intake of foods that adversely affect our brain and mood should be avoided. Don't take alcohol, caffeine, trans fat, foods with chemical preservatives, artificial colors, etc. Drink green tea. People with major depression lack sufficient production of serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter which regulates our mental depression and anxiety neurosis. Inadequate amount of serotonin in the brain neurochemistry can result in chronic mood swing. Green tea is the rich source of amino acid L-theanine, which boosts serotonin in our brain. Try a cup of green tea, which can quickly boost your mood. Practice touch therapy. Healing touches can help us cope up with depression. The level of stress hormone cortisol is reduced and the level of feel-good hormone oxytocin is increased by touch therapies. Practice acupressure, acupuncture, reiki, massage and reflexology to fight mental depression. Practice self-discipline. Most of the time, self-discipline is uncomfortable, but if you can find ways to change your weaknesses into strength, associating with people of high moral character, your moral strength will be uplifted. If you read ideologies of people who have changed negatives into assertive, and if you listen inspirational YouTube videos, you will be able to cope up with depression easily. Exercise regularly. Physical exercise releases endorphins, which is beneficial for lifting our mood to overcome depression. Moderate exercise for half an hour daily has positive impact on our mental health. Cognitive decline can be averted by brisk walking in every morning. Talk therapy. Consult with a mental health professional to discuss symptoms and feelings related to mental depression. Sharing problems with others ease tension and anxiety. Cognitive behavior therapy, CBT. Professional psychologists can help you learn how to overcome negative thinking and help you view your life in a more positive approaches. Control your anger. Violent anger is a strong emotion which often underlies behind depression. Learn to accept your anger in a healthy way and keep yourself away from negative emotions. Stay away from drugs and alcohol. Substance abuse with potential negative health impacts and mental depression go hand in hand. The Harvard School of Public Health conducted a study which says drinking alcohol and drug addiction is highly prevalent with those having poor mental health conditions. Practice spirituality. Read scriptures and other positive religious books. This is good for purifying your mind and soul. Attend religious performances at times. A person with due regard for rituals and religious practices can have clear moral sense. They do not succumb in low mood or depression easily.